Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you a video on Valentines that you can make for your kids to take to school this year. So you're just going to need some black cardstock cut into the shape of a heart. You're also going to need some bouncy balls. You can get these in any color. I bought a pack of 12 for $1.98. I just needed 2 packs for Phoenix's class. It's really not that expensive at Walmart. The next thing that you're going to need is a silver metallic Sharpie. If you can find them in other colors, that would be amazing. You can coordinate it to the color ball that you're using. Get a pair of scissors and cut out your hearts. This is the longest, most tedious part besides cutting this little hole into each heart. You want the hole to be just a little bit smaller than your bouncy ball. It does not have to be perfect. Mine looks ridiculous, but you know, it works. The ball fits in there securely, and that's what matters. And so I apologize for any noise you hear. Phoenix is playing and Alart has a cold and is sitting beside me. All right, so now you're just going to take your marker and you're going to write the words, "You're out of this world," or you can even write, "You are out of this world," if you feel better writing it completely out. So I just underlined the world part to emphasize it. And then you're just going to draw on some little stars. These don't have to be big fancy stars or anything. They're just little doodles. All right, so that is what mine looks like with all the stars. And as you can see, once you get that little ball in there, as long as you cut it the right size, it's pretty sturdy. No matter how much I flapped it around, that ball did not come out. So I apologize for the angle that this is being recorded at, but I just wanted to share with y'all how I do my little doodle stars. They are nothing special. It's just super simple, super easy. It fills in because I'm using a marker. I wrote Love Phoenix 2019 on all of my cards. We don't actually address them. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to add a little bit more stars here. It looked a little empty to me, but that just gives you a better angle anyway. But this is what all of the little cards look like, and I hope that y'all enjoys this video. And if you would like to see more do-it-yourself crafts like this for your kids, let me know. Thanks. Bye.